Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
The loudest noises in washing machines usually come from worn-out bearings, a damaged drum, or faulty shock absorbers. Bearings cause grinding sounds, a loose drum bangs against the frame, and worn shock absorbers let the drum vibrate excessively, creating loud thuds. Checking these parts helps pinpoint the source of noisy washing cycles fast.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.